So today's video, we're gonna be learning on how you can start maxing out your looks, maxing out your appearance, and feeling and looking your best. So if you've been following me for a while now on Instagram and TikTok and on YouTube, you know that fitness is really part of my life. Like, I honestly can't go a day without going for a run or hitting a workout for at least 20 to 35 minutes. Now, this has become such a staple routine to my day-to-day life, as I just personally feel such a dopamine rush from working out. I actually feel so much more energy, more confident, more put together, as I honestly can't see myself not having a workout routine. Now, maxing out your looks comes down to actually taking the gym serious, but also being really consistent with it. Now, you're not always gonna be motivated to work out, guys. Like, you're not always gonna feel like working out for that hour or 30 minutes, but it's about being disciplined and doing something for yourself to make yourself feel better. It's proven, guys. It's science, guys. You will feel 100% better if you take after yourself and look after yourself and start working out. People that work out seem to have a lot more energy, they're more focused, they're more put together, and they're more successful. Your confidence level is gonna be through the roof. When you start feeling like you look good, guys, you're gonna also just feel really good about yourself. It's gonna really reflect on your day-to-day life when you start going out in public. When you start going to work, you start going to a job interview, you start going out on dates with girls. Guys, it's gonna change your life. When you start building muscle and burning fat, that's when you're gonna start looking your best. You're just wearing basic fitting clothes. You don't always have to wear the graphic designs with the logos on it, the big logos in the back. Guys, it's about simple basics. Do you have a plain black t-shirt? Do you have a plain white t-shirt? Guys, these are things that you need in your wardrobe to really just go with your day-to-day fits. You have black jeans, you have black dress pants, you have a pair of light and dark wash denim jeans. These are things that you need in your wardrobe so that you can just start elevating your style. Sometimes wearing the basics is always the best way to go. If you're someone that really doesn't like to go out and look for pieces, then these are things that you guys really need in your wardrobe, because you don't want to be wasting time before you go out and what to wear. Oh my gosh, I'm going on this date. What am I gonna throw on? You already know, because you have the simple basics. You have a white t-shirt. Now, when you have a white t-shirt or a black t-shirt, you can elevate that style with a chain, a necklace. So it's gonna make it very easy for you when you start going out to these occasions. You're gonna feel a lot more confident about yourself because you're prepared and ready for the occasion and dressed appropriately. Now, if you're someone that can grow facial hair, bro, you gotta let that beard grow out. And I know you're gonna go through awkward phases. You know, you're gonna be patchy. It's not gonna look good, but bro, trust me, if you can grow out your beard, it's gonna enhance your overall facial structure. It's gonna make your jawline look so much more chiseled. When you start shaping your beard, you start going to the barber, guys, it's the best feeling. It's gonna give a lot more aesthetic to your face. It's science, bro. Like, there's actually studies that show that a certain length of stubble actually attracts more women. I think it was like 10 to 14 days of stubble on the cheek is what women mostly like. When you go to the barber, start growing out your beard a little bit more and actually allowing it to come through, and start structuring it to your face. Start matching it to the aesthetic of your face, getting that V-shaped body. Okay, so when you go to the gym, guys, are you guys doing the proper exercises to get that V-shaped body? Are you guys building your shoulders? Are you building the width of your back? Are you building your chest? Guys, you guys gotta make sure when you're going to the gym, you're actually hitting the sexiest body parts. These are the body parts that girls really love. A girl really loves big shoulders, a nice back. Actually, guys, a back is probably the #1 thing that girls are really attracted to. It's science, guys. It's all over TikTok. There's tons of memes out there that are showing girls loving when a guy has a nice aesthetic back. That's why to get that proportion, that V-shaped proportion, you have to build out your lats. So how do you get lats? You start doing a lot more pull-ups, rows. How do you get bigger shoulders? You start doing a lot more shoulder press and lateral raises. These are just some generic exercises that can help you get that aesthetic figure. Now, when you start putting on your clothes and you have that V-shaped body, guys, bro, people are gonna notice, bro. People are gonna notice that you've been working out. They're gonna be like, bro, wow, your shoulders look good, your back looks good. Like, what are you doing? Like, and then you start wearing clothes that really complement your physique. It's game over for you. You're gonna be on another level because you're gonna feel so much more confident about yourself. Now, last but not least, guys, you cannot do any of these things without the proper mentality, okay? You can't do any of these things if you're not disciplined, okay? And don't sit there and tell me that you're not motivated, guys, because motivation will always come and go. You guys probably look at me when I go to the gym saying, how are you so motivated? How do you keep going to the gym? Guys, I don't always want to go to the gym, okay? But it's just part of my routine. It's something that I've just become autopilot to. It's something that I don't even realize that I'm doing. It's like, bro, do you wake up in the morning and brush your teeth? Yes, you do, because you're just autopilot. It's part of your day-to-day routine. That's how you need to be with all of these things. You need to have the right mentality when you start doing all these things. You need to be dialed in, focused, become an unstoppable man. If you can start doing all the things that I'm telling you, bro, you're gonna be so unstoppable. You're gonna feel so much better about your day-to-day life. You're gonna have so much more energy when you go out into the real world because you're so put together. This all happens from having a proper routine, guys. If you guys are staying up late, playing video games, binge watching movies till 2, 3 a.m., how do you think you're gonna be productive the next day? how are you supposed to wake up between 6 a.m. to 8 a.m., guys, and be productive with your work? If you want to get ahead in life, guys, you guys gotta start waking up a little bit earlier so you can start attacking your day and getting what needs to be done. Now, guys, on this channel, I try and get men to become the best versions of themselves. Now, if I did do that in this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel because I'm posting content like this every single week and I don't want you guys to miss it. And I want you, bro, to be a part of the community on here. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.